morning from JVR Industries. Today I'm going to go over 3 ways to identify your seal bar assembly and retort bar assembly. The first way is to look at the base of your bar assembly to see if there is a label or not. On the retort bar assembly, there will be a small label that says retort, whereas the seal bar assembly on the base of the bar assembly will have no label indication at all. Now over time, these labels may wear off or get ripped off. In that case, these next 2 ways are going to be extremely helpful in this instance. The second way is to run your fingers side to side on your bar assemblies. On the seal bar assembly, when you run your fingers side to side, it's going to feel mostly flat, whereas the retort bar assembly is going to have a slight lump to it from side to side. And that's because the heat strip in the retort bar assembly has a slight concave to it. The third way is to look at the side of your bar assemblies. When you're looking at the seal bar assembly, you're going to see that the heat strip running down the center of that is going to be a little bit wider than the retort bar assembly's heat strip's width. These are the 3 simple ways to identify your retort bar assembly and your seal bar assembly. I hope this was extremely helpful to you guys. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions, leave a comment below. And if this was helpful, feel free to hit the like button. And feel free to subscribe to JVR Industries YouTube channel and hit the bell so that you get notified when we release new videos. Thanks again for choosing JVR Industries. Have a great day.